Hey guys, so before we start the video, if this game is on itch.io, if you go to, here's how to check for updates basically. If you go to the itch.io page and then just search up jump monks on itch.io, just search up jump monks on itch.io, you'll see jump monks beta update 2. Then you would click on that, scroll down a little bit, and download the APK. Say like a download button. You need developer mode to be able to run APKs. So, and yeah, but let's get to the actual part on like how you can check for updates so you can update your game. So when you go on the itch.io page, you'll see a number after Jump Monks beta update. You'll see a number there, like a single digit number. And if you got the game and then you wanted to check the itch.io page for updates and you see the number after Jump Monks beta update counted up one, that means there was a new update. So that's how you check there's updates. Bye bye. You'll see Jump Monks on itch.io. The theme picture is a little monkey with their hand pointing at text that says jump. It's supposed to just say jump monks, but it didn't fit the monks part in the picture. So it's just jump. But I'll show you the monkey player model so you can know. There's also a hidden button around here that you could find once you get in the game, so you can get a special color code, like glowing color codes. Because you can't usually get glowing color codes. Look, if you try to get a glowing color code with like the default color code, which is black, and everyone starts with this, but you can see you cannot get bright color codes at all. It's literally impossible. So yeah, you have to go find the button. I'm not going to save my color codes, so when I restart my game, it'll go back. But how to save your color code, you just do that, save. And once you find a button that says color enchant on it, it'll enchant your color. And then, after that, you would come to this stump and press save, and it'll save your color like that. And you can press this line to change it. Don't press the other lines, or it'll bring it back to the dark color. But just press this line. If you press this line, it'll go back to the dark color. If you press this line, it just won't change it at all. I don't even, yeah. I also have, yeah, my name's PPPTig for no reason. Phil, GT. Right, Phil GT. Yeep. Successfully saved the playfit. This is my usual code I joined in the Squirrel Tag Fan games. I just joined the code B. Don't mind the finger painter. I just have it. And you have to be a moderator to get this admin hammer. And we also got the J-Man room. Basically, it's just a bunch of J-Man heads, and they're physical. You can push them around with your body and stuff. And there's no tagging yet, but if you know how to run APKs, then get this. It's on itch.io right now. I just posted it on itch.io. It's gonna get some updates because it's kind of in beta. There's not even tagging yet. I didn't work on the tagging yet. It might come next update. I forgot to add tagging before I released it, that's why. So I'll add it next update. Oh shoot. No. No. I always try to block it from getting in the water. But if you let it in the water, it just sinks. Literally. Not that bad. I actually did add swimming, but I had to remove it because it was broken, and it would like allow you to swim in the midair. It's stupid. But after this, I'll show you the APK that has swimming. I might not have the hammer because I don't think the hammer is in that version. So yeah. It takes a few clicks to enable the cosmetics. And do long clicks, not fast ones. Wait, it takes a few clicks to enable the cosmetics and do long clicks, not fast ones. By the way, this is what you click with. You gotta hit these on the button, these little cubes, not your hands. Anyways, what I'm basically saying is the buttons are broken, so it takes a couple clicks to, enable and disable. See, if I do a fast one, see, it just glitches out. So I have to, like, do that. You kind of have to spam it. Yeah. Doing it with two hands is best, so you can enable and disable it faster. I also got jamming head, which I already have on. I'll just take it off. I'm gonna put on the top hat. I'm gonna put the finger painter back on. There's a zero gravity room, aka zero G. Yeah. That's literally it, basically. It's literally it. There's a new map coming soon. Wait, what? In Unity, I swear I put a text here saying that. Did I accidentally delete it? I put a text there. I know for sure I put a text there. I have no idea why it's gone. It literally, I was on the Unity scene today. I didn't even update it. I was just going in the Unity to take some screenshots. And it showed the picture in there, but in game it's not showing. That's weird. I might have to fix it. I think I know how to fix it. I also gotta adjust the top hat position. Because it's in the head. It's just buried into the head. Because there's an older head model that was freaking creepy as hell. So I decided to change it. Texture painted blender sphere. Mouth is like right here, right on my eye. But anyways, you used to like see your body when you look down, so you just can't see anything below you, but now you can. I patched it. It's because I moved the body higher up, so you're inside. Your camera is inside of it, so now you can look downside of it. Because if you like look inside of an object, you can see the outside. Yeah. So like if I put my hand in it, my hand would be able to see the outside, but I can't see it. Yeah, it's kind of inverted basically. But yeah. We also got beautiful mirror. There's no hit sounds yet, so yeah. And loose healing is a lot easier with this type of movement. So yeah. But you should definitely get this fan game when it gets to the point when it's actually fun. Instead of just running around doing nothing, playing with the cosmetics. There's no game modes yet. It is in beta. I was like, you know what? Frick it. I'm gonna release it. And I mean, it is the first ever update, so it's meh for the first ever update. So, plus this is only developed by one person, me. There's no developing team yet. I mean, you need Unity and a computer, but if you want, you could be developer of this game, maybe. I just have to send you the project every update that gets made. I have to send you the new update of the project. So just the Unity project, basically. And then you could build that APK and send it to me. I'll test it and release the update to itch.io, you know. But so basically, yeah, I'll make a development team, but if you want to be the programmer, you can. You want to be the build designer, you can. If you want to be the team that will make the tagging system, that will make the. I don't know why I pointed at that. It's the tagging system's not going to be there. It's going to be. There's going to be just normal tagging. Yeah, but you can do that. If you want to help work on that game mode, you can do that. I'll just tell you what game mode it is if you do want to sign up for a developer. You want to. Basically, any development thing. Helping on the banning system. We kind of need developers like that because I cannot fix the banning system. I also don't have the PlayFab login script, which is crucial for the banning system. So, yeah, I can't, but it doesn't work. The banning system does not work. I literally tried to see what happens if I tried to ban my friend, just testing the system, totally. And then he just stayed, he's still banned. I permanently banned him, he's still able to play. So yeah, the banning literally does not work. I don't know why, but if you use Unity SDK, or no, not Unity SDK. If you use PlayFab SDK and Photon VR, Photon Pun 2 and stuff like that, all that stuff, the banning literally just does not work. The banning doesn't work with that stuff. I don't know why. But the PlayFab SDK banning doesn't work. So, yeah, that's a weird problem. Like literally everyone has that problem, actually. The only way to fix the banning is that PlayFab login script, which I don't have. So, yeah, that's I got. Yeah, but that's it. Let me show you the unreleased. Hold on. Someone else is online. I mean, I did post this on itch.io already, so you could I could literally view it right now. Hold on, just someone in. This has broken servers, so you can't. It's really hard to get in the same server as somebody. It's really rare too, because it's just 5 billion different servers. Someone's on the game. Someone's on the game. I know it. I'm not in the same server as him. Hold on. Someone is literally online. I just posted it on itch.io. No one could have gotten it already, right? That is so creepy. It might be. Oh wait, it might be one of my friends. They have access to the APK. Well, obviously they do. Huh. Weird. Oh, they got off. That was very weird. Very weird. Anyways, let me guys show you the other version. This is the unreleased version of the game. It's gonna kick me out. All right. Here's the unreleased version. It's in beta right now. Or no, not in beta. This is an unreleased update. Whoa, it was a broken update, as you can see. This is the one with the swimming, and look, like, it breaks your gravity, and you can move yourself like this, which is not supposed to do that. I also added turning in the other one, but it's freaking like goes like this fast, so I gotta fix that. But I forgot to mention to you guys about that. But yeah, I tried to fix it, but I failed. Here's where the color enchant button was, but I replaced it in the new update, so it's not here anymore. But this is what it looks like. But it's not white anymore. It's the same texture as the wall. You can see it gives you the J-Man curly color, enchanted color, fully, totally enchanted color. You come over here. Once you find that enchanted color over here, you can change it only on this line. So, which is kind of stupid. And red, again, does not change it. Let me save this first. But if you press that, then it'll go back to the light colors. And you cannot change it back unless you freaking you cannot change it back unless you find the button again, which you would already know. And the water's lower this time, like a lot lower. And then the swimming mechanics, beautiful swimming mechanics. Once you go in the water and then get out, you won't have air swimming anymore. You'll just have normal gravity again. But I tried to patch it using making you spawn in a water block, so it automatically disables the air swimming, but it didn't work for some reason. I have no idea why, but it didn't work out. It didn't work at all, actually. But once you get in the water and get out, perfect gravity. And there was way more J-Man heads than last time. Or no, I don't know about way more, but different ones. There's different scaled ones in this version, which I removed because I tried to make them networked to where you could see other people pushing them. Like, for example, if someone was standing right there and I was pushing on this, they wouldn't see it roll because I'm pushing on it. They would see it just staying still while I'm pushing on it. But for my screen, it's rolling. I tried to make it networked so to where other people can see you rolling a ball. So they'll see it rolling too, but couldn't do it. Anyways, yeah, that's the Girl Tag fan game. Bye.